All right, how do you know if these are charged? Well, the ring will turn green. Bam, green, ready to go. So I had these in all night, so they're definitely charged. And yeah, so let's just pop them open. You can see we're ready to rock. Check it out. And I'm just going to go ahead and put these on. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Right here. Oh, there we go. On and ready to rock. All right, so anyway, if I wanted to take a picture, again, I just press this, and the camera's here. So you want to think about like pointing this side. So I just go click, and it makes a little light there. And now I'm going to do a video. I'm going to press and hold. And now I'm videotaping. Okay, so check it out, doing some videotaping. And then if I want to stop, it'll run for 3 minutes. But if I want to stop it, I just click it. And that light turns off and it's done. So now what I want to show you guys is how to look at the video that you just took, because it's going to go into the app. So hang on. So here's my iPhone, and this is the app you have to click. It's the Meta app. I'm going to check on it right like that. And you can see media is auto importing right now. And what's interesting about it is it actually goes right into my photos too. One item to import. Let's import it. Join Wi-Fi. All right, so bam. Here we go. Let's see what we got. All right, so you can see that it's importing right now. Media imported. All right, so let's check it out and see what we got. It's up here, by the way. So anyway, we've got a photo. Let's look at it. Oh, yeah, so you can see how wide it is. So it kind of shot from my left side. You see that? Let's go back. And here's the video. That's it. Bam. And then if I want to go back, I go like this. All right, so anyway, you can see I got a bunch of stuff in there. If I wanted to delete one item, I could hit select, and I could go click there, right? And then I would come down here and I would hit that. And then it's going to ask me again. And then I'm going to go, yeah, let's delete it. Bam, done. So I don't really need these, so I can go ahead and get rid of them. So I could go ahead and hit select again, and I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I've highlighted every single one of them. Then I would come down here and I would hit delete, and then I would go like that. And then it's going to ask me again. And our gallery's empty. Boom. And that's it right there. And if I want to go to my devices, I just go there. And that shows you what devices I've got on there. And if you look in the gallery, there's nothing there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.